Alright, guys. Today is a rainy, gloomy day, so I think we need to do something nice at home. I'm gonna try and invite the kids for some building blocks fun. Alright. And you can see here the views are amazing. There's mist and fog through the hills, and now this is what I'm gonna try and do. This is a nice tree house from Yunri, a Chinese company, building blocks, and you can see a nice tree above it. So let's start building without any further ado. All right. So the building blocks tree is ready and it looks amazing, as you guys can see. So let me just show it to you up close. And here's the real box with supplies that are being pulled up to the tree house. You can see here is a lady enjoying her time by the little creek. Here's some food being cooked. There's the guy preparing the food. Here we have steps up. Let's check it out. So, oh, there's a boy who's standing in near to the tree house. Probably he went up. And we have something more, obviously. Here are the stairs, but take a look, guys. Here's a birdhouse. All right, it had a real swing. So, in fact, there's a swing by the treehouse, and this girl will probably enjoy it soon. So we have the living quarters and a nice leafy house. So very cool toy. Now tiny homes, tree houses are very popular. So if you like these programs, I'm pretty sure you'll enjoy this build. And this wasn't as expensive as some branded blocks, so it cost somewhere around, I think, $20 for the kit. So very excellent. So there are 3 tree houses overall, and down below is a dining area and a nice little creek. So hope you enjoyed it, guys, and obviously see more building blocks on our channel. Do subscribe to dzikieswinie. See you guys next time.